that Bitcoin, like all the other shit coins, are worth zero. Actually negative given the hogging of energy and environmental cost. If it was a carbon tax on crypto, the value of these assets will be negative.
What's up, XRP fam? What's up, crypto family? It's the bag man back in the building. How's everybody doing out there? I hope y'all are doing well, holding strong, stuffing those bags, and continuing to stay extra bullish out there. XRP at 51 cents. I got a quick XRP crypto update here. Let's go ahead and dive into this video.
Bags, I need a diet. I'm with the army, wouldn't try it. Plus this island, you can't find it in them tropical skylands. Vibing, plus my bags fully ripen. All the FUD had to fight it. Now they all left in silence. Shh, you can hear them.
Happy Chinese New Year's to all those who are celebrating Year of the Ox, Year of the Bull, the year for XRP to reign supreme. Shout out to Crypto Knowledge 2021. Happy Chinese New Year's, Year of the Bull. Who's ready for the bull run? Patent reveals Ripple's ODL can be used by banks, governments, and corporations. There goes the Ripple flag right there, taking over. Ripple Labs Inc., developer of XRPL on January 26, has received a patent for a network computing system implementing on-demand liquidity for cross-medium transaction services, records from the U.S. Patent Office shows. Part of the patent's abstract describes the system as providing a guarantee exchange rate. It can also manage customer pools and slippage balances in digital wallets to adjust digital currency transfer amounts to align them with guaranteed exchange rates. However, according to the ODL patent now assigned to Ripple Labs Inc., the system can now transmit anything of value beyond cryptocurrencies. Anything can run on the interoperable XRP ledger. The XRP ledger enables real-time gross settlement of other digital currencies, stocks, bonds, securities, and much more. Accordingly, the service can be valuable, but not only for banks, but large corporations, government entities, NGOs, and companies seeking to move value through Ripple's network cheaply and instantaneously. Partnering crypto exchanges. Allowing this is the network of Ripple's partnered exchanges. Some of them include Bitso, CoinPH, and Bitstamp. During the initial stage, queries for the best pricings are made. Once discovered, XRP acts as a bridge. If the order is too big, it can be broken down into similar chunks for the best pricing before transmission to end-to-end user. Right here, the settlement for other digital currencies, stocks, bonds, securities, and much more. I don't know if you remember this picture right here. Derivatives, commodities, corporate bonds, government bonds, banknotes, XRP, rising up 14 trillion, 25 trillion, 28 trillion, 58 trillion. And you see all the values here. 57 trillion, 116 trillion, 300 trillion, 1 quadrillion. XRP price, once we swallow up the whole game, 11,336. Shooting way past the infamous 589 numbers. And it looks like this patent just opened the doors for XRP to take over. Here goes the patents right here. Network computing system implementing on-demand liquidity for cross-medium transaction services. It was filed February 21st, 2020, and the date of patent just recently, January 26, 2021. A computing system can facilitate cross-medium transactions through the use of digital currencies. The computing system can provide a guaranteed exchange rate and manage customer pools and/or slippage balances in the digital wallets to adjust digital currency transfer amounts in order to align them with the guaranteed exchange rate. We also have another one down here. A computing system can establish asynchronous network communications with exchanges to facilitate cross-medium transactions between originating and recipient clients. Such communications can result in filtering out errant responses that would otherwise cause an open transaction to fail. Filed at the same date of patent, January 26, 2021. Patents assigned to Ripple Labs Inc. Analysis says XRP is poised to pop and outperform Bitcoin. Here is his new target. A crypto strategist with a large following on Twitter is bullish on XRP. He says, "Did I mention I think XRP is going to pop? Odds XRP increases against BTC. Here are high, betting that XRP will outperform BTC from current levels. Extremely low risk, high reward bet to make. I'm taking it, and I already took that bet." Credible Crypto does not think the lawsuit will factor into XRP's performance in the short term. Well, the court's decision, if it comes to that, is literally months away, and so is not a factor that needs to be considered in the immediate short term. Risk is defined because we have a clear invalidation point and the upside potential if the current level holds. is far greater. The analysis also believes XRP's potential is capped at $10 as long as the lawsuit is ongoing. $30 was the highest in my range. 20 to 30 was my expectation. I still think that range is feasible, but I will likely start taking some profits as we approach $10 due to the uncertainty around the SEC situation. So this trader is looking to take profits at around $10, and he has an expectation for XRP to hit about $20 to $30, depending on what happens with the SEC. Quantifying the environmental impact of payment systems part 1. This was published back in October 2021. Ripple's still pushing this commitment to being carbon net zero by 2030, as well as pointing out some of these other cryptocurrencies that are taking up way too much energy. So we will wait to see who ends up on top. XRP, one of the most eco-friendly digital assets out there. BNY Mellon forms the new digital asset unit to build industry-first multi-asset digital platform. New innovative initiative will help accelerate the development of enterprise solutions to service the rapidly evolving digital asset space. Cryptocurrencies are in the headlines more and more every day. 2021 looks to be massive for cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. I thought this was interesting. Founder of Bank of New York Mellon bought XRP, turned $2 million into $280 million. This was about 3 years ago. We also have the BNY post from Ripple here on the insights. BYN Mellon sees the success of distributed ledger technology being predicated on 3 basic criteria: network effect, regulatory engagements, and standards. Network effect naturally requires a greater percentage of participation than any of the up-and-coming networks has now, but none yet boasts a truly global reach to rival that of the competitors like Visa. Until now, we have XRP. While various organizations and consortiums are working on blockchain standards, there is yet no true blockchain standard, which also impedes progress. Ripple's interledger protocol aims to solve this challenge by enabling diverse ledgers to seamlessly interact with each other. So while we don't really have a true blockchain standard yet, XRP right now is setting up to be the standard and take over cryptocurrencies as the standard. And that is from BNY Mellon talking about Ripple and their distributed ledger technology. And now BNY Mellon forms a new digital asset unit to build industry's first multi-asset digital platform. Here we have a tweet from Bank XRP. Bitcoin equals no income, no use, no utility, no intrinsic value, pure speculative, worth zero, pump and dump, wash trading, manipulation by tether, total scam.
In the case of Bitcoin, it doesn't have any income, it doesn't have any use, it doesn't have any utility. So what's the value of it based on what? Based on no intrinsic value and purely a speculative bubble. That's why I argue that Bitcoin, like all the other shit coins, are worth zero. Actually negative given the hogging of energy and their mental cost. If there was a carbon tax on crypto, the value of these assets will be negative. So what's the fundamental value? What's the use? What's the utility that justifies the capital gain? None. It's a speculative bubble that is based on pump and dump, spoofing, wash trading, and manipulation by tether. There's a total scam. So for institutional investors saying we're going to invest into crypto doesn't make any sense. You have a failing company that had a flat stock market like MicroStrategy for a decade, and its head was a coke addict, decided then to bet the entire house on Bitcoin. That's irresponsible behavior. And there's not going to be any corporate head who's going to put his cash, as you pointed out clearly, into something that is so volatile. You put your cash in something that is stable. And for somebody like Elon Musk, who knows that there's a market impact to manipulate, first take an individual position into Bitcoin, pump the price up, and then say that Tesla has invested and Tesla doesn't make money yet, it's also irresponsible and it's market manipulation. The SEC should be looking to people that have a market impact, that manipulate the price of assets. That's also criminal behavior. Criminal behavior. It's a totally criminal enterprise. Tether is a criminal enterprise, and a bunch of whales and insiders are manipulating the price of Bitcoin and other shitcoins day in, day out. That's a fact.
Race for the future. Which central banks are leading the way in digital currencies? Digital Monetary Institute Journal issue from February 2021. New year, renewed focus. The digital payment space is innovating rapidly. The Digital Monetary Institute plays a key role in aiding cooperation and sharing innovation among the industry major players. And it says right here, a revolution in money, central banks, and digital currencies. At a time when digitization of the economy has accelerated, the DMI utilizes its position to facilitate public and private sector dialogue on the future of money. The inaugural DMI is a accumulation of these discussions using our convenient power within the central banking community and extensive networks of banks, technology solution providers, and institutional investors to advance trusted and efficient innovation in digital solutions. So this is an interesting PDF here, the race for the future, which central banks are leading the way in digital currencies. Y'all want to check this out further? I will have a link down below. Digital currencies to take center stage in 2021. This coming year could be a big one for central bank digital currencies, with projects emerging around the world. Digitalization will continue its march in 2021. Privacy can be digital cash, trump card, 5 ways that will pave the way for a prosperous decade. The use of blockchain is leading to a new financial world. That is the Digital Monetary Institute, the race for the future, which central banks are leading the way in digital currencies. We have another big player jumping in. Mastercard is bringing crypto onto its network. Whatever your opinions on cryptocurrencies, the fact remains that digital assets are becoming a more important part of the payments world. We are seeing this fact play out on the Mastercard network, with people using cards to buy crypto assets, especially during Bitcoin's recent surge in value. We are also seeing users increasingly take advantage of crypto cards to access these assets and convert them to traditional currencies for spending. So we are here to enable customers, merchants, and businesses to move digital value, traditional or crypto, however they want it, should be their choice. It's your money. 2021 looks to be massive for cryptocurrencies.
I certainly am watching that trend, and it's one that I feel bolsters my position that I gave several years ago, which is that we're ready for a traded product. And so I would like to see an exchange traded product move forward. Of course, the facts and circumstances matter, but I think people are looking for ways through our regulated securities markets to access Bitcoin. And so if we don't give them the natural way, which I think would be an exchange traded product, they're going to look for other ways to do it. They're over-the-counter products now that exist, so people do have ways to access it, but those might not be the most direct and most cost-effective ways.
Also, shout out to Bellamore MMA for sending me this at Bank of Canada. While we've been analyzing the circumstances under which we might issue a digital currency for several years, Deputy Governor Lane says COVID-19 may be bringing us closer to a decision point.
The integrity of our currency is a public good that all Canadians benefit from. Only a central bank can guarantee complete safety and universal access, and with public interest, not profits, as a top priority.
Other than that, that's all I got for this one. I am the bag man. I am not a financial advisor, but y'all know what I'm stuffing my bags with, and it's the best, the fastest, the most secure, the most scalable, the most eco-friendly. Send money anywhere around the world instantly. Let's check out XRP. XRP currently at about 52 cents. Currently up 17.6% in the past 7 days, up about 5% in the past 24 hours. XRP starting to wake up here. We'll continue to keep our eye out on XRP. But other than that, I will catch y'all all in the next one. I hope y'all continue to stay bullish out there, continue to stuff those bags, and continue to hold those good vibes. Peace out, crypto family.
It's a bull run, get your bags up, in your rocket ships, we gon' blast up. It's a bull run, I got my bag stuffed, we gon' take the cup, tick tock, your time's up. It's a bull run, get your bags up, in your rocket ships, we gon' blast up. Big bags. It's a bull run, I got my bag stuffed, we gon' take the cup, tick tock, your time's up. All them bears retreating and them bulls back eating and them bears back sleeping. Big bags, I've been getting big bags all weekend. Weekday, party on the moon till it decay. I'm surfing, big naps, sat bags, we surging. We done held through all the circus, knew all the facts on the surface. The FUD not working, I'm holding with a purpose. 100,000 X with the purses. When we lift off, that's 100,000 1,000 horses, scorching. Big bags, I done made a fortune. Feel all the forces. The XRP army hold the torches. Meet us at the XRP castle at the fortress. It's a bull run. Get your bags up in your rocket ships. We gon' blast up. It's a bull run. I got my bag stuffed. We gon' take the